Many people, they finish one career, or a lot of people now are getting job eliminated in their 50s, and they are not necessarily going to stay in their career. You talk about something called an encore career. So how does somebody pick their encore career?
Well, first of all, I didn't coin the phrase encore career. There's a whole group called prime time, where there's a lot of research that you can do into what could be the next stage of your work life. And of course, there's two elements here. One is the type that we frown on. Do you want fries with this? For the folks that have to work because they don't have the money not to work. Well, there are a lot of wonderful flex time, part-time jobs that you can get and pocket a little bit of money and enjoy yourself. I'll just give you an example of one of the companies that was at the White House Conference on Aging in 2015, and that was Uber. They were actually there to talk about the potential for small, flexible time jobs that anyone could have as long as they were a responsible person, had a car and could drive. So that is one kind of encore career where you really do not have to be ashamed that you need to make a couple of extra bucks. Then there's the other kind of encore career, something that you always wanted to do in life, something that you explore in your own heart and see what you would like to do. Now, once you have identified that, and by the way, that identification is not easy. I love a book called What Color is My Parachute? Classic book that will help you guide you through what really lights you up. Once you have identified that, then you can work in that field by doing a little bit of research, and sometimes you have to be a volunteer in that field. Sometimes you have to be a bit creative. I think the easiest way to explain it is to tell you my love. I've always wanted to be an art curator, always. And I discovered that Sotheby's in London and in LA and in New York will give you a very short course, it's only 1 month, in art curation. Now, am I going to compete with the young folks coming right out? No, not going to happen. Can I be a docent in a museum as a volunteer? You bet I could. That's what I mean by the encore career. It could be for money, it could be for love, but best of all, it should be for both.
Well, and I think also it's a different level. Like you might be starting at the bottom again, and that's okay. You have a long time to go, especially if you're following your passions.
Absolutely.
All right. Great. Thank you. If you like what you just saw, we have many more videos with Adriane Berg and with more experts at bottomlineinc.com. And do me a favor, do that social thing. Share it. Tell your friends, tell your family. Come to bottomlineinc.com.